would. I'd be like, fuck this. I'm getting over this. Hey, I'm like, I can't hear you very well because of the fireworks. Dayton. Yeah. Down here. Well, it's probably over. Alright, I'll talk to you later. I'll go out. How you doing? I know him. Sorry, I got.
Did I win? I love cheese and Cuba. Me too.
Nobody should eat cheese and cheeseburger. That sounds like episode of Dance. Who
cares, baby? Thinking maybe you.
That's illegal.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
For me, it is.
Drugs are illegal.
Okay, well, I'll go to jail.
Sure. Well, your brother said he would marry me.
That is also illegal. That is also illegal.
I'm 18.
What? The finale.
Are you really gonna watch that again?
Yeah. We'll put it on YouTube. For everyone who doesn't get to see it. Because I'm a nice person.
Whoa!
Boom, sparkle, sparkle, boom, sparkle, sparkle, boom. Boom, sparkle. Boom, sparkle, pow, 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 boom, sparkle, sparkle, pow. Boom.
Glimmer. Shimmer. That hurts my eyes. You're so embarrassed.
Nose picker.
Can I see that for a second?
No.
Can I see that for a second? Can I see that? Can I see that? I'll scratch your back. Okay. What does your foot say? Does your brother know how to do that?
Yes, ma'am.
I think I learned it already. That's kind of, I don't know if that's illegal.
Oh, this is like one.
There it is.
Anyone that's just Dayton on it or something like that.
It says they all.
Disney World and stuff?
Yeah.
That's possible.
That'd be so cool.
Just got this.
Yeah.
Have you ever been? That's in Florida. Oh, no. It's fun. You went there?
It's
Pictures?
That's your problem.
But
LeBron.
It's like the Magic. You're closer to. You're closer to
That's not
Orlando.
and then now I get
Chris. No, Chris, bye. Jurassic Park. Minus 1. Oh, that was terrible. He got blown out.
Tears is
Terrible game. It was depressing as hell.
You just stopped watching it.
No, I watched that ring.
Who's that? You should. I saw her.
I was more
What was that one? What I missed?
tonight.
My sister and that boy Ryan.
I don't have any stuff.
They're
I know. We can give some
stars.
speaker on Friday.
I'm a star.
Oh,
They're here together for themselves.
I'm off Wednesday.
No, there was Diana. Oh, are you with Tierra? She's with Tierra? Yeah.
It's still the point. I'm free. What? I'm still free Wednesday.
That's weird to stare.
So we'll do something Tuesday night then.
She said.
Oh,
Mr. T.
yeah. Oh. Thunder Buddies. Thunder Buddies for life.
That's her.
Thunder Buddies for life. Oh, that's right. I saw today.
She said, you said,
saw
oh,
it.
start leaving.
It's fucking hilarious. You shot him. When I'm talking to you, I've never seen that before. Say, shut the fuck up. I'm talking to you.
Michael!
Boom, boom, sparkle, sparkle, boom, boom, sparkle, sparkle, boom.
Oh,
Say none of your business. We's on the water. Back to the fireworks. Big boomers. Woo! I've been holding this in the executive.
maybe like half an hour.
15 to half an hour.
It's only 10:12. That gives me a heartbeat. Fast.
You should walk back.
You're right. Start walking back,
Says
guys.
pennies.
Start walking back.